Welcome to Driver Appreciation Week, National Driver Appreciation Week. This is Don Christenson coming to you with Rayvon Christenson, and we're getting ready to give away $4,000. So we've got a driver referral program. You refer a driver. Once we have 5 drivers that are currently working at Christenson in the referral program, then we put those 5 names in. And if your name's drawn, you'll win $4,000. If your name's not drawn, you're going to get the additional $250 for a total of $500 minimum for the driver referral. So let's make a happy driver. We've got Melissa James referred Leon Black. That name goes in. Jesse Rogers referred Jamison Barnett.
We're doing no weird folding now.
Alvin Blue referred Kevin Whitted. Kenneth Shrives referred Alicia Ellis. And Jamison Barnett referred Robert Lindell. So let's make a driver happy here.
Put the lid on.
No. Shake it up really good. Shake and bake.
Shake and bake. And the winner is Melissa James.
Yay!
Yay, Melissa. All right, so if you want to win $4,000, go find us a driver at Christenson Transportation. We're the truckers truck. Thanks, guys.
There's Melissa.
How we doing?
Good. Great surprise
Melissa?
for you today.
So you were in a drawing a while ago
Yeah.
for $4,000,
Yes.
and your name was called. So you just got $4,000. Thank you for your driver referral. Yep.
Thank you.
I told you we forgot something.
Family like ever in my life like I feel here.
Well, thank you. That means a lot to us.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
Congrats. It's awesome.
It's almost like hitting the lottery, isn't it?
I know, right?